Have you ever wondered about the impact of sugar on our health? This sweet, crystalline substance seems innocuous, but recent studies and articles suggest that our relationship with sugar is a lot more complicated and potentially harmful than we might think. 2 weeks ago, a health article delved into the ways in which sugar can harm our bodies. It turns out that sugar is a carbohydrate essential for energy. Yet, when we consume it in excessive amounts, particularly in the form of added sugars, we're inviting a host of problems. These include increased cravings, tooth decay, weight gain, and negative effects on brain function, skin health, and stress levels. It's noteworthy that natural sugars from fruits and dairy are beneficial, while added sugars in processed foods lack nutritional value. This leads us to a crucial point. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend limiting added sugar intake to less than 50 grams per day for adults. So how can we reduce our sugar intake? The article suggests choosing whole foods, reading labels, and opting for healthier sweet alternatives. Now let's turn our attention to a recent post from the Cleveland Clinic Health Essentials. This piece explores the dangers of sugar alcohols, which are commonly used as sugar substitutes in processed foods marketed as diabetes-friendly or low-calorie. While they have been considered safe in moderation, new research suggests potential risks associated with their consumption. Sugar alcohols, such as xylitol and erythritol, have been linked to an increased risk of heart attack and stroke by affecting blood clotting. They can also cause gastrointestinal issues and have a laxative effect when consumed in large quantities. Additionally, sugar alcohols may contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively. 8 months ago, Harvard Health shed light on the bitter truth about added sugar. American adults, on average, consume a staggering 77 grams of sugar per day, primarily from sugar-sweetened drinks and processed foods. The consequences of excessive sugar intake include increased risk of mortality, chronic inflammation, frailty in older adults, and weight gain. The American Heart Association recommends men to consume no more than 36 grams of added sugar per day. In conclusion, sugar, especially in its added form, seems to be a sweet poison. While it's essential for energy, its excessive consumption can lead to a plethora of health issues. By choosing whole foods, reading labels, and opting for healthier sweet alternatives, we can control our sugar intake and, in turn, safeguard our health. Remember, moderation is key. Stay informed, stay healthy.